This is hard.
Hello. Much with this thing, the same size and one of the things to say to like you right? Yeah, sure did. The next thing, the part. Well, maybe you can think it's going to go over there. We'll see do some bands real quick. Oh, they're not being more cut. Oh, okay. It's my turn. Bam. Alright, there. It's my turn.
Oh wait.
Okay.
Crouch. Like set up. Like get on my hand.
You too.
Go. Go.
Well, that's right. Just being better. I'm going to use the band something. Well, then you better be.
Oh, I made it. I made it. I'm serious.
Watch me to go there.
I made it.
Whoa. It's so fun. So they can see somebody. This is so happy that it's tangled over there. Now you fudge it up. And start to go. Well, it's not happy to watch my notes for a minute. Just hold a second. Just hold a second. Ready to try real quick?
Hey, David.
Oh, I forgot to send real quick. Oh, alright, let's go. Pat, what? Hello. Hello, how are you? Good? Yeah, like good. Yeah. Yay! Yeah. Not. Yeah.
Okay, no more tea now, right? I think this is. Okay, we're doing this legit now.
Oh, I'm a little fast. What the? I'm not doing that. I'm just. The thing I'm mixing you guys is delicious. Okay. I don't think that. Come on. Cost dials trial, okay. Okay.
Historias como ha sido como el primer mexicano en ganar un título de peso pesado. Otro que también ha sido, no sé si de
That's okay. Go, what did you do? But come on. Right, still here. It's still here, right? Yes. So we're gonna have a 6 out of it's close. Yeah, because yeah. per favore se c'è gente che ha la becca. Good time. Xin rồi. Vào cho. Yeah. That's just so funny. Ooh. I'm going back to the room because somebody was saying this all the time ago. Just somebody fucking ugly. That's just so ugly. I've been going do it. Let's see the. What is that? Just got. The level stick things are going by. But. Go,
Go, hurry up, hurry up!
Hey, what about it got quiet? I gotta drive the car real quick.
Thank you. Oh my god!
Damn! So next time the bed show.